all a slave to the system that we made, breaking out riot that we will create, overthrow the greed, 'cause why should we suffocate? God is on the gun, yeah, I will lead us home, yeah, I will lead us. Let's go. Why should we suffocate? God is on the gun, yeah, I will lead us home, yeah, I will lead us. Let's go.
Welcome to Market Pulse Crypto. Today is December 15th, 2024. I apologize that we haven't been able to do a stream the past few days. Haven't been feeling so great. I believe strep throat, but we're fighting the good fight and beating that virus. So I guess we want to take a look at the markets and see what they've been doing the past few days, and I assure you they've been doing better than I have. We are up to now a $3.72 trillion market cap. That is up 2.8% 51% from yesterday. Bitcoin has just broken a new all-time high, and it was at 106,000 not too long ago, probably about an hour ago. Right now we're still holding above 104,000. And I'll give you the exact high that we've had. The exact high we had was right there. $106,449.88. So Bitcoin is breaking highs, and it's looking like it's going to be a pretty bullish week coming up. Now, whether or not that's going to carry over into alts is another question, and we'll take a look at that too. But let's get into the top winners and losers of the week. Alright, starting off we have Virtual's Protocols. Virtual's Protocol, which has absolutely exploded over the last week. These AI agents are really taking off, and this is probably the top project that is working on the AI chatbots. So it is up 65% on the week. Aave is up 31%. Athena up 26%. Ondo up 25%. Ethereum name service up 20%. Lido up 14%. BitGet token up 14%. Sui up 11%. And Radium up 10%. Now let's take a look at the top losers of the week. Dog with Hat down about 21%. Bonk down 18%. Brett down 18%. BitTensor down at 17%. WorldCoin 16%. IOTA 16%. Flow 16%. Sandbox 15%. Caspa 15%. And Jupiter 15% as well. So already gone over the volume. We're at 3.71 trillion, still up 2.38% from yesterday. Volume is going back up as we enter a new week. Now that the Asian markets are waking up, we're up to 153 billion in trading volume, up 20.66% from yesterday. Bitcoin dominant sitting at 56%, Ethereum dominant around 13%, and the Fear and Greed Index is at an 80 out of 100. So, right now I wanted to show you this, which is bullish for Bitcoin. This is from Crypto Rover. Shared 8 hours ago, talking about Bitcoin on exchanges and how they're declining during a bull market, which basically means that we're about to experience a supply shock. So as you can see here, exchange balance. So this is Bitcoin on exchanges right here, is this blue line going up, and it's been in decline since back, looks like at the beginning of 2023. It's been on a steady decline and kind of leveled off since 2023, and now it's starting to decline a little bit. But you can see the price starting to go up as this drops, because you're going to have more less supply being chased by more money. So that's really going to continue to inflate the prices, and I believe that we're just getting started in this bull run. I think we'll see upwards to I would say $175,000 to $250,000 Bitcoin. If I had to take a guess, I would say that we'll hit, I'm going to go with 210,000. I think we'll hit $210,000 Bitcoin before we see another bear market. And this is the chart on the weekly for Bitcoin. You can see right here we had a bullish engulfing candle about 3 weeks ago, and we've been going up since then. We just had that's on the weekly, bullish engulfing candle right yesterday, the confirmed, uh, and we're continuing to hold steady and go up. We've also had a bullish cross over here on the stochastic RSI, so that indicates some incoming price momentum, which I believe we'll see throughout this upcoming week. Let's take a look at the altcoin. So let's see the crypto market excluding Bitcoin, or total. Excluding Bitcoin and ETH, this is what we're looking at on the daily chart for the total crypto market cap, taking away Bitcoin and Ethereum. So these are all other alts. It looks like we could be getting a cross here. I'd say we could be looking at a cross within the next week. What we want to see, what we really want to see, is this blue line cross this orange line in this blue area right here to confirm the momentum shift and really see alts, the rest of the altcoin market, take off. But right now, we're sitting at a $1.7 trillion market cap once you take away Bitcoin and Ethereum. So this is expected to go much, much higher during the bull run. I believe I've heard estimates of an $8 to $12 trillion total market cap for all of crypto. So it wouldn't surprise me for this to quadruple and us to see a $4 to $5 trillion market cap in the most bullish of scenarios, which is very possible. Many people believe we're in a super cycle right now, given that we are now getting a lot of regulatory clarity on Bitcoin and that we have a pro-Bitcoin administration coming into the White House in January. So we're going to see how that materializes, but it looks very promising. Just look at this chart, just beautiful. We had this is on the daily too. We had this correction here back on the 9th and dropped all the way down here, and now we're looking to confirm some more bullish momentum so that we can hopefully recreate this trend right here. We would love to see this go straight up, and we'll see if it can. Let's play around with this chart a little bit. Let's draw a line from right down here and see if we hold this line as resistance, or support I should say, not resistance. But we'll see if this trend continues. Like they always say, the trend is your friend until it's not. Right now the trend is very much our friend. So that is the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's go on over to the coin market cap and take a look at the watch list. Ondo, a lot of big expectations for Ondo this bull run. Given that it has the backing of BlackRock, this is going to be one that I think it's going to do extraordinarily well. There's no way that it doesn't, given that it has the backing of, let's just call him Big Dog Fink. All right, let's take a look at Virtual's protocol. right now. This thing has really exploded. Let's go over the last month. Perfect. So you can see here, trading around 50 cents, 50 to 60 cents up until the end of November. Then this thing really started taking off. Now this is a protocol where you can actually design chat bots to manage social media. I mean, there are all sorts of use cases for it. I'll read you a brief description of it. Protocol that is building the future of virtual interactions. So it's basically an innovative cryptocurrency that aims to revolutionize virtual interactions through AI and metaverse protocol, serving as the infrastructure layer for the co-owned, human-curated, plug-and-play gaming AIs. Virtual's protocol is at the forefront of integrating artificial intelligence with immersive virtual environments. So we'll actually go to the website right here, and I'll show you what I mean exactly. For example, Luna is pretty much the poster child for this project. Let's take a look. Someone has created this through an AI chat bot, and this is like a bot that is always streaming on YouTube. So you have people that will go in here and tip this AI bot and just interact with it, and this is really is really shows just how far into the future we are now that we have pretty much virtual avatars that you can interact with on social media. So this is a great way for some passive income. If you can design something like this and have a social media presence built around it, that can be if you get in early, you've seen the explosion of the Virtuals protocol just within the price. Let's actually take a look at how many people are holding this coin right now. 12,000. I believe that's on Ethereum only, but let's take a look at base. There we go, 138,000 followers. So actually, if you add that plus Ethereum, you're looking at about 150,000 holders of this token. So this thing is just really blown up. And it continues to do well in the markets, even when the markets aren't doing so well themselves. So also, I want to take a minute to show you something that has really just kind of impressed me, and that is the growth of the Peak network. Let's do the same thing we did over there. Let's go to Subscan for Peak and look at 52,000 holders of this token, but I want to show you just how quickly this is taken off. So we'll go to details right here. As you can see, up 5,000. The holders are up 5,081 over the last 24 hours. But let's look at it on the weekly. So last week was the 8th. Just look at this growth right here. It is incredible. So at the 8th, we had about 9,000. Let's just round it up to 9,000. 9,000 holders of this token. And it has just ballooned to over 50,000. And this chart shows no signs of slowing down. So I would say that this is probably a good time to get into Peak, because The interest certainly isn't going away. We've had a small price dip, probably because of the token unlock, but it hasn't been anything substantial, and I don't expect it to. I don't expect the price to stay at these levels for very much longer. So you can see it's kind of forming a base now, but this is a pretty good looking chart right here. Let's go back to the let's go to the watch list. See if there's anything else that catches our eyes. Just go to the weekly. Helium's another project to keep an eye on with their decentralized Wi-Fi or internet access. Let's look at that again. Decentralized internet coverage, I believe. Decentralized blockchain powered for network for the Internet of Things, launched in July 2019. The Helium mainnet allows low-powered wireless devices to communicate with each other and send data across its network of nodes. So you can basically purchase these routers and set them up in your house and then connect with other people that have these to expand coverage. And while doing that, you'll actually mine the HNT token. And the HNT token, oh wow, I totally forgot that it went to these prices. It went to about $50 a coin, a little over 50. So this would be a great way to make some passive income and contribute to the network. If you were to go to this website, and then you would get one of these routers. Let's see. Share your internet, earn crypto. Mobile hotspots. You can go here. And well, when they get back in stock, they cost about 250 US dollars. Dollars. I believe this will let you mine the Helium mobile token, which this thing has a pretty robust ecosystem. Let's take a look at this one. This one launched spring of 2023. Had pretty good price growth. It's got a pretty big supply. 89 billion. Watch it circulating. It's got a total supply of 100 billion. So you can buy this on Coinbase, or you can buy one of these devices and mine it for free. I'm not exactly sure what the mining looks like for this, what the mining rewards are, but this is something we can dive deeper into an upcoming stream. Like, there's just so much we can cover. I mean, there's so much going on in crypto that we could do a stream for thousands of different topics. But this is definitely one we'll be looking into. Alright guys, and with that, we're just going to kind of do a shorter stream tonight. since I'm feeling under the weather, we'll really get back on track tomorrow, and we'll have a more well-rounded plan for what we're going to cover. I just really wanted to get on here, especially since Bitcoin is making new all-time highs, and provide a market update. So let's see if there are any thoughts from the audience. Also, be sure to join the Discord that we'll have linked over here in Kick for those of you following us on Kick. We'll have linked over here in Kick for those of you following us on Kick. Let's take a look at some categories while we're in our chill session. Take a look at some categories.
Did you see Ethereum name today?
Ethereum name, let's see. ENS. It's on here somewhere. There we go. Ethereum name service. Up 11% on the day. Let's see. Right.
It was just up at 50.
We hit a high of 50 today. Low 42. That's a pretty big price swing for a day. Pretty sizable anyway. This is one you were interested in, right? Did you ever pick up any of this?
I don't think I ever did. If I did, I got out of it pretty quick.
Oh, let's look at the chart from hell and see what it's doing now.
Oh, yes. Yeah.
Yep, it's this one.
Strange.
Look at this. It's still doing it. What's going on with this? Like, what the hell is this? I mean, the further you zoom out, the more normal it looks, but that just bizarre.
Yeah.
It's on Binance.
You said that is your thumbnail.
Dogecoin. Let's look at Big Dog Think. Forgot to check in on the big dog. There he is. He's down. Down but not out.
You look at Pi way around.
Which one?
Look at Pi.
Oh, Pi. Hey, I think that's what we should do the next stream on is Pi. Let's do a stream on Pi.
Yeah. Walk through how to get verified and everything.
Yeah, that would be perfect. A lot of people need to know about Pi. That's an interesting looking chart too. Over the last day or so. But I mean, this thing isn't really trading yet. Or it is, but it's not supposed to be. So it says, please note that mainnet has not launched yet, and the price displayed below for certain exchanges reflects the value of the IOUs, and it may not be transferable across exchanges. So this mainnet is expected to launch at the end of the year. So it's not far from now. It's only a few weeks away. But like I said, we'll go into this more. I mean, don't get me wrong. I would love to see what was the all-time high according to this. I would love to see a $330 Pi at debut, but I don't think that's very realistic. But maybe I'm wrong. We will see. It really depends on what the circulating supply is at the time of the mainnet launch, because there are a lot of holders of. I don't. Let me see how many holders there are of this token. The Pi Explorer. Well, even if it did show it, there are a lot of people that haven't even migrated their coins over to the mainnet yet. So we won't have an accurate idea of how many people are exactly holding this token at the moment. But that is the Pi network. Let's go ahead and see what's trending in AI. Autonomous. What is this? Launched back in January. Let's see. Let's read about it. Autonomous, also known as OLUS, is a network of off-chain services that was launched in the summer of 2022 by a team based in multiple European and Asian countries. The network provides a unified platform for services such as automation, oracles, and co-owned AI. It offers a composable stack for building these services and a protocol for incentivizing their creation. Autonomous stands out by enabling the operation of these services in a co-owned and decentralized manner. So they're also into the autonomous AI agents as well. So that's interesting. LimeWire. See what good old LimeWire is doing. It's been trading since the fall of last year, or summer of last year. Should have picked some of this up at around 7 cents.
Yep. You did a good one.
What was that?
That'd be a good one. It's been around forever. Don't see it going anywhere.
Anything else you want to look into before we call it? Before we wrap this one up?
You can check out the X link if you want.
Oxlink. We can do that.
It's been pretty good yesterday. Everything was down, but that was up.
Oh, looks like it's still going up 13%. What was this again? We read so many that it's really hard to keep up with exactly what they all do. This is
I think it was like
user.
Telegram
Oh, okay.
apps that.
A social dex.
Yeah.
Do we look at the website? Let's see what this looks like. $37.66 million users, total coverage by groups, 9.33 million, total groups, launched app. Is it like an app within Telegram? We can look at that some other time.
You can do that for tomorrow too, if you want to do that. And virtual. Is it like no the pie?
Let's do pi tomorrow. Let's focus in on pi. Invite or be invited. Web3 identity and social graph. Build your own social networks. Okay. That's excellent. Can you buy that on crypto.com?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's Autonomous. Excellent. This might be worth getting into. I wish we could see the token unlocks. See what people are saying.
I did that around Thanksgiving, and I just got a feeling it might go off.
It's all about goats. Why are they talking about goat? It's nothing but goat. Oh, let's look at the Twitter. It's a pretty good following, 1,000,000 followers. How many people hold this? 138,000.
I'm gonna throw 100 in right now.
Do it. Do it. That chart is fire. We'll see if we can look at it on this. See what the market says on this. Binance. Let's do this. Reload that. Let's do this. There we go. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this might be a good time to buy some. Pick up a bag.
It's a bag.
All right, well, you want to end it there?
Your stream, Fink.
Let's end it there and come back tomorrow, and we will go over the Pi network, look at the markets, and see if we have broken into a new all-time high for Bitcoin. What time should we start the stream
good to me,
tomorrow?
Fink.
You want to start around 7? Let's give the viewers
If you're
a
not
time.
napping, sure.
Oh, I'll be home all day. I've already called in for tomorrow, so.
All day
All
stream
right.
then.
All day stream, we could, yeah, maybe. All right, well.
24 hour.
Oh, don't do that to me. We're not there yet. You trying to kill me?
You can do 12. I can do 12.
Okay, we can do that. I'll do that.
Or I can do 8. You can do 8. Hayden can do 8.
That's it, folks. See you tomorrow.
He can do 48.
But with that, in all seriousness, we will see you tomorrow, and we will show you how to set up Pi and do your KYC and have everything ready to transfer over to the main net. We'll go over all the details of that tomorrow. Don't miss this. This is an easy way to make some free, yes, free crypto. So don't miss it. We'll be back tomorrow. I hope everyone has a fantastic rest of your evening, and peace out.